pieces, taking out the walls. I'll keep all the memories, I'll break down the walls. Time to hit the road, time to hit the road. Thinking of all the journeys, thinking of what comes next, thinking of brighter days that lie ahead.